To add a connection,
Click on the icon in the top right and go down to the Connections tab. Here, you will see all of your active connections. To make a new connection, click on Browse Network. Locate the lab or designer you want to connect to and press the Add Connections button here to add them. After pressing the button, you will need to wait for them to accept the connection. Back in the My Connections tab, you can see the status of your connection. If you want to delete a connection, press the Delete Connection button located here. Once your connection has been accepted, you can delegate cases for designing and/or printing.